Hello everyone, this is Adam from Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura S8. It came in because the customer, when trying to use it, they heard a pop, and then it just started leaking everywhere onto the counter. So the source of the leak was on this side, where basically all the plumbing is. The pop was the tube leading out from the thermoblock, the actual reinforced silicone tubing. It broke, from overpressure, and that's kind of impressive because these are made for high pressure. But it turned out that the reason for that overpressure was because of a clog in the ceramic valve. Right here, this is the old one that was taken out. So I replaced the ceramic valve. I replaced the broken tubing, and then we also did a tune-up, and just a tune-up which involves cleaning the brew unit and then running through the descaling and cleaning cycle on the machine. After that was done, we had a machine that will grind and make you an espresso.